Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be trying 3D nail art as a beginner, so make sure to stay tuned, watch till the end. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's get right into it. I did most of the application of the nail tips off camera because it's harder to do when it's short nail tips. It's best to use long tips and you trim them to your preferred size than to use already short nail tips. But I got them in coffin, I got them in square, I got them in almond, and I'm not going to be making press-on nails, so I wanted to use them, and that is why they are a little bit too short for my liking, but I'm just gonna take it like that just for today. I'll be using this builder gel or extension gel. Now we are going in with a second coat. really cute. I really like it, honestly. I thought I wouldn't like it, but it looks really good. I have been obsessed with Cateye lately, and so we'll be doing another Cateye set. So I'll be using this mint blue color, and I might use the silver Cateye. It depends. Do you think I should do a second coat, or it's fine? I feel like I wanted to do a top up with a silver Cateye, but I feel like it's good, so I'm going to leave it like that. I'll be making the 3D art with solid gel, sculpting gel. I'll be mixing in a little bit of white. So I had to place them on off camera so I don't mess it up. No. Bruh. Okay, take two. This time around, you applied cuticle oil on the stick so that it doesn't stick onto it. Okay, now it's better. I guess 3D flowers isn't my thing, because this took me, I did like 3 tries before it's looking like this, and it's still not looking good in my eye. I don't know. I honestly don't know. But anyways, let's move to the next nail. Okay. think I'll leave it like this. For the ring and thumb, we are gonna apply some matte top. Yeah, here. We are gonna be doing the top coat and black polish mixture. I'm gonna be making a French. For the thumb, I'm just gonna be freestyling. I decided to make this, whatever this is on the thumb, I'll be doing the chrome last because it gets everywhere and I don't want that. So we are going to the pinky. It's more like raised lines. Now you're going to be adding some water drops right here. I'm going in with top coat. This is the final look of the nails. This is really short. I've never made nails this short before, but I like it. I think it looks good. The Cateye effect is the coolest thing ever, honestly. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your love, support would really help my channel a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.